I noticed that my most popular video is about my old space age strobe horn electronic, I believe AV32. But here's something even rarer. It is not a light, it's still a strobe. However, really old variant. And it is a electromechanical horn. And the fire lettering, the old fire lettering here is actually reflective. So in the dark, if you're shining a flashlight where you have to see through a dark hallway, the fire lettering will be well reflected from the light. Let's put this together. Yeah, the horn's not being held very well, but when I install it, it will look nice. This, electric horn, not electronic. So this old horn is 2DCD, space age. However, this is still a typical Federal Signal / vintage Simplex electromechanical horn. And unlike the popular old Simplex electromechanical horns, this is its mechanism. And there's pigtails. And the strobe is AV32. And one thing I found kind of interesting is the strobe makes a whining sound. And so I will first actually test this alarm with just the strobe to let you guys hear what that whining sounds like. It is really cool. And then I'll go ahead and show off the entire thing and install it on my board.